Hello and welcome to National ETPSU Residential Summit 2024. I am Apurva Shukla and right now I have been joined by Mr. Kuldeep Singh from Kindrel. Hi, Mr. Kuldeep.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. So, first question that I would like to ask you is how's your overall experience at the summit?
Well, I think I must compliment ET government, for bringing all of us under one roof, that too in the form of a residential summit. Uh, Otherwise, my experience is if I have to meet up with 10 CMDs or senior officials of the public sector unit, it may take me 10 months or even more. And you made it possible just in 1.5 days' time. Commendable job and phenomenal work. Yeah.
Another question to you is what kind of innovation we can expect when PSUs are collaborating with private sectors?
Yeah.
So, what kind of growth and innovation, we can expect?
Yeah, I think the complete scenario is changing in India with a mission which our Prime Minister has given as Viksit Bharat by 2047. Uh, One of the very important thing is previously, all the PSC used to work inwards. They used to work only for themselves. The transformation that I've seen, one, uh, every PSU go and talk. They talk about the latest technologies. They talk about each one of them talk about next gen AI. They talk about machine learning. Uh, the second transformation which has happened is which is going to affect our GDP in a positive way is uh, whatever they were doing for themselves within the country, the time has come they have started taking those skills, those IPs that they have created worldwide. Imagine, the way our exports in the defense sector has grown. I think it has grown from a few $1 billion to in excess of $20 billion. The same thing is going to hit most PSUs, and and that is the aim, which they have set. I was just talking to CMD of a oil and gas company. He said that all the software development, application development they have done, everything is in house. He says that expertise now they're taking it worldwide. You see, that opens so many business avenues for them. So that's going to take our PSUs uh, in collaboration with all the technology companies like us to the next level.
Thank you so much for the amazing insights, Mr. Kuldeep. Stay tuned to ET Government social media handles to know more about what's happening right here at this event.